Hey guys, it's Sharmel. I haven't done a weekend vlog in a minute, so my friends was like, why you not vlogging this? So it is Saturday. What's the date?
The 17th.
It is Saturday, February 17th. And we about to do my friend's hair, but she forgot her bundle at home. So we was gonna do a ponytail, but she forgot it, so now we about to go into Beauty Supply to get like some pack hair to see if we can find.
I haven't bought pack hair in so long.
This is pack hair that I got on in my hair right now.
What's the color and everything?
Oh no, I bleached it. I just filmed this look. It'll be up sometime.
Hey y'all. Okay,
so yeah, it's Saturday. It's early. It's All-Star weekend. We should have been in LA, but they was catting. Right. So we're about to film this video, and
go buy pack hair.
And we're gonna go buy pack hair, and maybe we might go see Black Panther or something tonight.
Hey.
So let's go. Oh, you on chow? She on chow lot. Look at the picture they used though.
Yeah, like that's disrespectful. Can you just pick something? You know better than I do.
Just get her the golden.
And we're back again.
No, what the baby say? No. What your niece say?
Oh, hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
My channel.
Where your little edges at? Where's your little edges?
I probably use this one.
Oh, that one hurt. Why is that so hard? That's a fresh one?
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh,
that hurt.
That's the comb.
Oh.
You're so fat.
It hurt. No, it really hurt. You know I don't got no hair right there.
I was brushing the skin.
Exactly.
But yeah, this is the argument people will make. And I'm not
stuff on it. I want to see how it works.
Oh my god.
It's really heavy strong.
Yeah. You comb your fucking face with it.
I'm not digging.
No, she gonna do this for a long time. It's a good one. Everything be flat. My hair stay flat for so long. I was like, wow. Sharmel! Is that really that brush? Oh my god.
Oh, it is, bro.
That's hard. So hard.
It is hard. My bad.
That needs to be like boiled or something.
My bad, sis. That was a rough one. I'm sorry.
How you say it?
What? Brewery. Say it. I can't see it. Brewery.
Man to every brewery.
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 In town more than one. Say disc. Disc.
Disc. Go back to memory lane.
Plural.
You believe when he said
disc. No, disc.
Grab attention. Take pressure off of you. Big cheese marketing.
Say ask.
Say that all the time.
Ask.
You say it all the time.
You sure?
Yes.
They said saying wrong.
Because we be saying ask. Let me ask you a question.
We say coupon wrong too. It's coupon. Coupon.
Details.
Details. I ain't saying no.
Details.
I just heard earlier today someone details. I'm like, how you say it?
You put that long E in there. Details, okay?
You forgot your earrings last time. You used to come over here to steal my earrings at this
First of all, girls, don't how even wear no little stuff babies like this.
Stuff babies.
Hearts and bows and shit. I need to get me one of these. They be like this. They be like this. This one. It be like this. It be like this one. But hey, it be like this.
I need to
It be like this.
This one and this one.
This one.
Y'all happy?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the NBA All-Star stage.
17. This motherfucker's hair is so ugly. His face is just so ugly. The Rosen.
Oh my God.
He is so funny looking. I love it.
So you spent all your money on holidays.
Shut up. I think it's not bad that they don't have
Let's start with you first.
WNBA.
Still going on.
Yeah, they don't get paid to say it.
Well, I know they. I mean, nobody watch that shit. But
Does it still exist?
yeah. But my thing is like, do they do like a WNBA All Stars thing, or like I just think it's hella weak that they don't though. Like I've seen a couple of them playing like a celebrity.
Because that's what they were playing yesterday.
I was like, that's hella
I heard
weak.
some of the majority of the players get paid $50,000 a year. I think, what? That's a regular job.
Like regular NBA makes fucking billions. They don't make nowhere near that.
I'm excited about all the fans.
Who's my favorite? Oh, Chadwick. I do too.
You sure you don't want to go see it?
I'm not gonna lie, I really don't want to see it. It was cool.
Oh, you've seen it already.
Yeah, she went to go see it yesterday, huh?
You
It took up to an hour and a half, 2 hours.
I'm basic, y'all. I'm too old. I got kids. I'm trying to see that movie you're telling me. Wait.
You think we in it? Let's see.
What are we doing?
I don't know. So, we finished her face and hair. Give him a little tease. Give him a little tease. Okay. You know, Misha ended up going home. So, it's just me and Janae. And we are getting ready to go see Auntie next to us. We getting ready to go see Black Panther. We hella old. We seeing a 10 o'clock show. So, we hoping we could stay awake. It's 9 now. And we got us some Red Bulls so that we could make sure we're awake. So we about to go find food. This line, we already seen it. The line about to be crazy. We got a good park, so that's good. And we just need to get our old ass out the car. So
Yeah, start walking.
we can get our life together. Okay. I'll see y'all in a minute. So, good morning, everybody. It is Monday, February. It looked like it's something on my eye, but it's my glasses. It is Monday, February 19th. So yeah, it's been a very eventful weekend. I wish I could have vlogged more. I've been slacking with the vlogging. I know I've been wanting to do it, but like my weekends, it's hard to vlog. Let me just say that. When you're actually doing things, it's really hard to like have a camera. This weekend was fun. I did a lot of hair this weekend. So Friday when I came home from work, I started filming for a video, making a wig. Then Saturday I had a sew-in to do in the morning. Then I filmed again, and then I did my friend's hair. We filmed that. And then we did go to the movies Saturday night to see Black Panther. It was really, really good. I'm not going to give away any details because I know it just came out and a lot of people are still going to see it. But if you haven't seen it, it is definitely a must-see. Aside from it just being like a good Black film, the director of the film is from my hometown, which is Oakland, California, which they had like scenery, you know, parts of the movie was like supposed to be in Oakland, all that stuff. So it's just really good to see. But yeah, I love the movie. Loved it, loved it. I'm probably going to go see it again next week. I'm going to take my nephews to go see it. I think my nephews and my mom are all going to go see it again. So yeah, I want to see it again. But yeah, so that was Saturday. Me and my friend went to a late show, knowing we old. That's another reason why I want to go see it, because we went to the 10:10 show, and with all the previews, by the time the movie started, I felt like it was almost 11 o'clock. And then I had just been up early, so I'm not gonna lie, I nodded a couple times in the movie. So I definitely want to see it again just so I can pay attention the whole movie. So, and then Sunday, Sunday. What did Sunday? I went to church yesterday, which was Sunday, and then I had another client after church. Y'all, I look so, it's my nose. My nose is not running, I'm just greasy. And I went to church, and then I had another client, and then now it's Monday. It's President's Day. I don't have to work. Excuse me. So now I'm up editing one of these videos. I'm gonna try to have a video up for you guys by today, which I should. I don't see an issue with that. So I'm editing now. It's still pretty early. It's only 8:30. And then what else do I have planned? I really don't have a lot of plans. Like I said, I was on the go all weekend, just on my feet doing hair most of the weekend, so I'm pretty tired out. I need to do something to my own hair because, y'all, ever since I could fit my hair in a bun, my hair has been in a bun. I wore it in a top knot for like a week, then I wore it in a low back bun for like a week, and I love it, but I definitely need to braid my hair up and put it back in a protective style because all the gel and then bobby pins, like my head was really tender from the top knot up here when I was wearing it and sticking those bobby pins, and I don't want to cause any breakage. So I definitely need to do my hair, but I've just been so over wigs, y'all. Y'all just don't understand it. And I could braid my hair, but I don't know. I colored this curly wig, so I think I may just go ahead and install that. I just don't know. I just don't feel like doing my hair at all. At all. Like, not even a little bit. So yeah, I need to wash my hair and figure out what I'm gonna do with it. The wig is probably the easiest thing to do. I did film my coloring process, so that'll be another video too, just in case I install that. Like I said, I didn't get a lot of footage on this weekend, but I do want to edit this vlog and put up the vlog, so I did need to just kind of close the vlog out. So that's what this is. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my friends. Those are my real friends. We've been friends since like grade school, so when you see our interactions, like those are our real interactions with each other. And yeah, stay tuned for more vlogs. Happy Black History Month to you all. Hope you are all enjoying it, and I will see you guys next video. Bye bye.